Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to open the 3D plan of your room that you have created on the Room Planner application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the home icon down below, which is the first option, and tap on a room that you want to check out. Tap on it, and then you should click on the Open 3D Plan down below in the left side of the screen. And here you will be able to check out your room that you have created. You can check out the ceiling, the walls, the flooring, so feel free to check out every section of it by going back, down, up, back and forth with your finger. And then if you tap on the second floor option in the upper left corner of the screen, you can change the level that you are on. So now you are at the second floor. If you tap on the other option, you will be at the first floor. So feel free to check it out in every aspect and perspective. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.